Look, sleep not, we working overtime. You see the bull swag, you check the clothing line. The kid about to kill it.
Hey you guys, it's Natalie Nunn from the Fat Girls Club, and we just wrapped the Super Be Splendid. And I just want to give a shout out to everybody that came out, especially the wardrobe. Like, oh my god, are you kidding me? Like, Tiana's styling, amazing. Her dresses were bomb. They fit like a glove. And Bradshaw, thank you guys so much. Everything was great, and I love you guys.
If you're trying to fly, visit the website, put it on. You feel like a star, clothes out of this world. That's why they call them Mars. It's time to focus on the